Welcome to News on the Feed. Recent surveys show that 95% of retail customers, people like you and me, value shopping experiences that are seamless, personalized, and fast, whether they're shopping online or in person. What they might not know is that a stronger, reliable infrastructure is critical to delivering these experiences, and IT teams are making this a top priority and investment. Todd Nicholson, a retail expert at Juniper Networks, recently walked through trends in a blog. Todd, let's start with what a connected experience looks like for a consumer. Do you have an example that you could share?
Sarah, it's all about connected retail experience. And what I mean by that is a true connected experience is all about meeting the needs and expectations of your customer without any limitations in terms of channels or touch points. So in other words, customers want any number of flexible options to make a purchase, and retailers need to leverage technology to help enable a seamless and delightful experience for their customers. Shoppers want options when it comes to their buying decisions with things like making a purchase. So customers want flexibility in how they acquire products or services, whether it be online, through the web, or a retail application on a mobile device, or offline, making the purchase within a brick and mortar store, or even a combination of all of those channels combined. The second thing that shoppers are interested in are flexible payment options. So having the ability to make a choice when making a payment. So, prepaying online, paying in the store, or completing an application transaction through a mobile app, or even having the option to pay over a period of time. Customers want flexibility when it comes to payment options. The last one is really taking acquisition of that product or service. So customers are very busy today and they want flexibility when making a purchase and acquiring that product, which could mean taking receipt of the product in the store, a contactless curbside pickup, or my favorite, which is taking delivery of the product either at a home or office.
Well, all of those options sound brilliant, Todd. Do you have a sense for how this type of investment could drive more business for retailers?
Absolutely. Sarah, it's very simple. So drive more frequent, higher quality engagement with your customer to create a fantastic experience, regardless of the channel, and you will put your retail operation in the best position to increase basket size, revenue, as well as customer satisfaction. The challenge that retailers think about every day is that it's going to take reliable, scalable, and secure technology and network to provide that best-in-class experience. And the network is the heartbeat of that solution.
Well, given that it is the heartbeat, where would you recommend that retail IT teams put their focus and for that flexibility?
When we talk about retail store of the future, here's where I would place my bets. First is location-based services. So location-based services have been proven to drive enhancements to a customer shopping experience with the ability of in-store visitors to quickly and efficiently find their way around a store, especially given that many stores frequently re-merchandise their store shelves to keep things fresh and ensure that customers are seeing more of the store each time they visit. The second would be leveraging technology to capture customer insights to help drive associate engagement. And that's really key to creating that great in-store experience. Improving in-store and warehouse IT operations on the back end with things like automated software deployments and inventory tracking to help drive both top and bottom line revenue, and then keeping stores safe with things like contact tracing, congestion alerting, and adjusting staff levels for in-store peak traffic times. And finally, enabling contactless shopping experiences with the ability for customers to buy online and have curbside pickup available on demand. These are all great examples of leveraging technology to drive operational efficiency and great customer experience.
Well, Todd, I have certainly benefited from these technologies and the experiences that they drive. Thank you for sharing your insights and tips on why retailers and their IT teams should continue to prioritize the customer experience through technologies like Wi-Fi and location services. To learn more, we have included a link to Todd's blog below. And while you're on the feed, take some time to soak up more industry news and knowledge from experts like Todd.
Thanks, Sarah, and thanks, everyone.